Hi guys, welcome to a video, and today I'm here with my neighbor, Carter, or Tiger Pal, and we're going to be doing some Friday Night Funkin'. Well, on Roblox edition. Alright, let's go.
Okay.
So what should we start out with?
I kind of want to do ghosts.
Alright. Okay. Alright, I got Ghost.
Okay. Yeah, I also.
Alright, let's do this.
Okay.
Woo, okay. It's kind of like spam clicking a lot. Whoa. Oh my.
Yeah, it's stressful.
I see all the arrows on your side. Oh, I missed that one. I just switched mine to circles so I could see it better.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, it's always fine.
I'm barely trying at this point. I'm just spam clicking.
Yeah, honestly, I'm just spam checking logos. That's all I can do.
This is just a spam clicking contest for the most part.
Yeah, that's kind of why I chose ghosts. Literally spam checking.
Whoa. Okay. Oh, wow.
That was stressful.
Okay. Oh.
My fingers hurt now.
I just used up my whole palm and just went just banged on it without banging. Alright. What
Now
next?
you can pick.
Alright. Okay. I think I'll do in week 6. Alright. I've chosen. I haven't watched the whole mod for this one, so I don't know what to expect the whole time.
I like the name of this one. Oh,
Yeah, it actually is like one of those Minecraft mods with Minecraft in it. I think I just heard controller connecting noises.
actually, I think that was Discord that you heard.
No, I was not. I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me. Maybe it like was was resembling the Discord noises from the actual Minecraft that the Hermitcraft uses.
Maybe.
Wow, there's a lot of arrows in all of these. I didn't think we were gonna do the same type of song over and over.
Yeah. Dad. Sorry.
No, it's alright, it's alright.
I feel like I'm just gonna break the buttons on my computer.
Alright. And then the Ender Dragon dying noises.
Okay.
Alright. Alright. You can pick this time.
Okay. I picked.
Headphone users warning. If you're wearing headphones, then I don't suggest it.
Yeah.
Mom, also, you might not want to wear headphones.
Why? Me? Why? Oh my gosh. That is not okay. Oh my god.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay, that was close. That's a close one. Okay. Well, we can fit in one more song. All right. Let's see.
You can choose.
All right. This one is. It's not that hard. I'd have to say it's not too hard.
Okay.
I just now realized that the left arrow is a little bit a darker shade of color than the other blues. We might have just enough time to finish this episode.
Yeah.
We've done it!